guys. So we're gonna do this hot Cheeto pulled pork torta. So the first thing I have cheddar powder, 4 tablespoons. And then for the heat, I'm gonna go ahead and use the habanero from Drunken Chef. I think it's way better than the cayenne pepper. So about 2 tablespoons or so. We're also gonna use paprika, 2 tablespoons. Remember, I'm creating this rub on the fly. It's not like I experiment with it before. 2 tablespoons granulated garlic, granulated onion, about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of black pepper. So I have some anote. It's a chili, it's a Mexican chili powder. The hot Cheeto look, the red look. Just add a little bit more of this anote. Try to get that red classic look. I was gonna order the stuff on Amazon, but that stuff is ridiculous. It's freaking like 20 bucks for like an ounce. That looks pretty good to me. Looks pretty good, right? 10 pounds. Let's get this bad boy open. Mr. Smokin' Joe, he's always using Duke's mayo. So I was so curious what it tastes like. And let me tell you, this is definitely gonna replace my mayonnaise. So let's just go ahead and make a binder for this. About 2 tablespoons. And I got some red food coloring. To get that classic look as a hot Cheeto look. I don't know, a few drops in there. Let's go ahead and mix this up. Pretty close, right? It looks red. It looks red, guys. This is crazy how this looks. All right, let's go. What a hot Cheeto mess. All right, let's go outside and start this fire. You already know what I'm gonna start my fire with. Fire cups. You guys gotta get these, man. These are freaking awesome. I'm gonna be smoking between 250 and 275 today. There it is. I do have a water pan, like always. Easy cleanup. I'll bring you back, I don't know, a couple of hours. We'll see how it looks then. While the pork butt is smoking, let's make some refried beans. So all we're gonna do is just add to it 3 garlic cloves. Make sure you add your onion because that's what's gonna take out the gas in the future. Let's add some salt, good nice palmful, maybe 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna lower the heat to a medium low and we're gonna add our lid. And then we'll come back once these are done. These beans took about 3 hours to cook. Just pick one up, and if it smashes like that, then they're ready. All we're looking is for that render fat and the bacon, of course, because we're gonna put that on our torta. I wanted that bacon fat right there. That's what we're gonna use to refry our beans. All right, you can mash the beans with the bean smasher. I'm gonna just go ahead and smash it with the spoon itself. Just come in here and work it. Old school, baby. Looks good, don't it? Just come in here. Whatever you do, don't let your beans burn. The worst smell in the world. Not only that, it's the worst taste in the world. And then continue smashing. Perfect. All right, let's go check on the pork butt. 2 hours into it, guys. Look at how red that is. I just got regular water. Quick spritz. Ah, that's a beautiful red color, guys. All right, back in 2 hours. About 4 hours into it, guys. I got beautiful bark. It's not quite there yet. Maybe 2 more hours before we wrap. Rocking at 275 pretty much the whole entire cook. This is 6 hours into it. Nice rendering. Look at that. Let's go ahead and wrap. Can't tell you what the temp was because I don't have a thermometer. I lost mine again. I'll bring it back in a few hours when this is done. See what it looks like. I ended up putting it in a tray, wrapped aluminum foil over. I want to keep all those juices in. It's been smoking for 2 hours in aluminum foil. Look at all those great juices down there in the bottom. It's butter everywhere, guys. Look at this. It's nice. Zero resistance. Quick recap. I smoked it for 6 hours, wrapped it up, smoked it for 2 more hours, 8 hours total. Let's go inside and let this bad boy rest. Take a look at these beans. I added some cheese. Oh yeah, look at this. Money, guys, money. It's gonna be good for our torta. All right, let's check out the pulled pork. See how we did. Killer bark. Let's get our bolillo. Let's just cut it. Let's see here. And they're fresh, guys. Let's get some Dukes. Spread it on the bun. Oh man, look at this. Now you can toast these if you want, but I'm gonna leave them just as is. Let's pull this bone out. Oh, look at that. Clean as a whistle. Ant's barbecue went straight for the muscle, for the money muscle. I'm pretty sure it's right here. Just grab it. Here it is, right here. Sucker wants to fall apart. Just shreds apart. Look at this. Oh, yes. Yes, there's the beans. Just a little scoop right there. Oh, man. Yeah, baby. So next, we're going to go ahead and add the money muscle. Oh, look at this. I want some of that bark. So let me get some of this out right here. And put it just like this. I don't know about you guys, but I like my tortas fat. Grab a little bit more meat right here. Oh man, look at that. Whew. Still a little warm. Just shred it on top, guys. Come on, stay put. Whew. Man, they rested for a good hour. Nice little smoke ring, you can see. We'll add some bacon to it. Put 2 strips. Then we'll top it off with this caramelized onion. Just like that, guys. Bam. Epic right here, guys. Epic. I'm going to go with a little bit of lettuce. Just to get that nice crunch. So we can get our veggies in. I'm going to get some tomate right here. Nice thick slice. Just like that, guys. Work with me. Work with me. And put some aguacate. Just a little bit. Just to taste, guys. And then I'm also going to add the jalapeno de vinagre. This is going to tie everything up. Get a nice slither there, there. Man, money. And then that salsa that we made. Just a little bit, just to top it off right here. All right. Now we got our hot Cheetos. We're going to just dust it. Dust it right here. Nice layer of hot Cheetos. It's messy. All good. Push that in. There it is. Our mega torta. Hot Cheeto torta. Look at that. Man, it's going to be epic. It's going to be crazy to eat right now. Crazy. Pick up this hot Cheeto massive torta. Look at that. All those beautiful layers. The beans, the homemade refried beans. It's going to be crazy bite right here. Can someone hold this plate for me? I'm going to just dig in. Cheers. Salud. Oh, man. Let's see. That bacon. That bacon complements that torta 100%, guys. Let's go for another bite. That was a teaser. Yeah. I taste those jalapenos in there too, and the salsita. Let's see. Now I taste the hot Cheetos. It pairs up real nice. And that Duke's mayo. Oh, perfect, guys. I'm throwing best foods away. Been waiting all day to eat this. Over 10 hours, guys. Those refried beans are delicious. That's a good torta. I've never had bacon in my torta, but from now on, bacon in the torta. Delicious. As far as the rub for the pork butt, the hot Cheeto rub, I don't taste none of that. But everything else comes through real nice. Give it my best shot. And this is what I came out with. A torta. I've been craving the good torta. You know, when you go to restaurants, man, they give a little bit carne. They don't even give much, you know. Ant's Barbecue, he did a video on hot Cheetos brisket, and then he did another video, hot Cheetos pulled pork. So I wanted to try out the pulled pork. So I'm going to put his link in the description box. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. He's a good dude. He has epic, he has mad skills on editing, man. This guy gets down. He's really good on editing. Well, thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. If you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe. It would help me grow my channel. Much appreciated. Thank you guys. Gracias. Gracias to my mom. Catch you guys later. Catch you guys next Friday. Have a good weekend. Laters.